doon.
Kaya, Mr. President,
Alam mo, kung may pulis, I'm now a civilian, kung may pulis magpatay ng bata, maasahan mo, mismo dyan, babaril.
kaya nga po, Mr. President, do you consider them as collateral damage? Yes or no?
Collateral damage. So wala tayong magawa.
And do you take responsibility para po ba sa mga ito?
Well, of course. If it is the job of the police doing his job, may collateral damage na tama, akin yan. Bakit po? Hindi naman ang bala, hindi naman namimili yan eh.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, correct. I ask you for responsibility.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Kong Hoon. The next to interpolate is